In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone 17 black screen problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and fix this. Now, the 17 and 17 Air are experiencing a widely reported dead phone crisis. Many users find their devices stuck on a black screen after the battery drains to zero, often refusing to wake up even when plugged into a wired charger. So the most successful fix reported by users and Apple technicians is bypassing the USB port entirely. So place your iPhone on a MagSafe or a QI wireless charger and leave it there for about 30 to 60 minutes. And recent reports suggest a battery firmware flaw in the iPhone 17 lineup sometimes prevents the USB port from accepting a charge when the voltage is deep discharged. So wireless charging often bypasses this specific hardware handshake. And once it's charged a bit, then you can plug in a USB-C and then you should be fine. Now, if wireless charging doesn't immediately bring up the Apple logo, try this specific sequence while the iPhone is still on the charger. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button, which is your power button. And then on the iPhone 17, you may need to hold this up to 30 seconds and don't let go until you see the white Apple logo. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.